but there's still a TVM machine inside where you could have purchased your ticket from. Okay? If you haven't, no, you need to listen to me. If you haven't got a ticket before you get onto a train, it's going to be a penalty fare. Okay? You can't purchase after you travel because you've got big yellow posts. You're not meant to. There's big yellow posted up around the station to state that. Okay? So next time, buy a ticket before you get on the train. What's your home post? Postcode first, please. Is that correct? And what was the first line of your address? House number?
We are now approaching Aston. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs.
Where are you traveling to? Just Birmingham. So, this is going to be a single ticket, just £3.20, added to a £50 penalty fare. It is a single ticket. We're not doing it, not going to do this in case. This is a penalty fare.
This is Aston. Welcome aboard this West Midlands Railway service for Redditch. The next stop will be Birmingham New Street.
Because you haven't got a ticket, I've made you aware you do. So you're not supposed to. Speak it up,
Welcome aboard this West Midlands Railway service for Redditch. We will be calling at Birmingham New Street, Five Ways, University, Surrey Oak, Wandle, Kings Norton, Northfield, Long.